Alright guys, what's up? We're back with Matt's car again. So today we're going to take off the XDrive emblem, and then we're also going to take off a 330i and put it back on in gloss black. So first I'm just going to start off by masking it off, and then we'll use a heat gun, and then we'll use a little bit of fishing line and possibly maybe some floss if needed.
Nylon line from IND. Oh wow, that's gonna come off real easily. That's hot.
Grab a blow because it's hot.
It's coming. Now we just gotta get all this glue off of here.
If you guys aren't familiar, some adhesive remover here. So this is some pretty good stuff to use.
Alright, so we've tried to pull off as much of this tape as possible with our fingers, but now we're going to use some adhesive remover, 3M. It's pretty abrasive stuff. I mean, you can try Goo Gone if you have any, but I know that this stuff works pretty easily. Basically, just gonna have to throw this microfiber towel in the garbage when you're done because it's gonna be covered in glue. Getting the final little goobers off there. Pull this tape off.
Yeah.
See what it looks like. There's still a little bit of adhesive left, but boom, nice. And then it'd be good to go back later on with some wax just to re-protect this because this stuff gets all this protected off. Alright, so the XDrive is now gone. It's all cleaned up. Looks real nice. Much cleaner looking without the badge. So we're going to go ahead and pull off this one and replace with gloss black. So same kind of thing. You can see where we put the tape right up against the edge. And I'm actually going to mark every little number so we know where to put things. Okay, so I'm using a pencil. I'm basically marking the edge. This is where the one's going to go. This is more of just a reference point. So like I said, I marked up these little areas with a pencil just to kind of give me a reference of where the spacing should be. I'm actually going to take a tape measure and measure the distance between each number, each letter, so we kind of have a better idea what the spacing should be, because the new one does not look like this. So like here's the new one. The spacing is not accurate to what it should be, so we have to pull each one of these numbers off and space it accordingly. All right, so I've kind of measured in between the top of the number, the very tip of this number to this number is 3/8 of an inch. We already know, Craig made a good point. We already know that this edge is right up against the tape. Same with this one here. So we really just need to know the spacing between these numbers right here. So 3/8 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch. Craig's heated all this up, so I'm gonna start chiseling away here. You can tell it's already coming off pretty easily. The problem is trying to get off the glue. I'm gonna try to hug the paint more. It's hot. That didn't do anything really. Same thing, try to remove as much as you can with your fingers, and then we'll come back with the 3M
Adhesive remover.
Yep. It's also good to do this right now because it's still warm, so it's a little bit easier to get off. All right, we've got all this cleaned up. All the adhesive is removed. It's nice and clean. We're gonna go ahead and reapply the new badge here. I'm gonna start with the eye, line it all up. Make sure we've got it in the right spot here. I think that looks good. And I'm gonna go ahead and hold it down. Pretty simple. All right, here it is, final product. Everything looks really nice, clean.
You still gotta obviously take the tape off, but as you can see,
It's spaced pretty nicely, I think. And reverse the tape in the order you put it on. All right, just like that, all finished. That's what it looks like. Gloss black from IND. Removed the XDrive badge. Looks super clean, and we're good to go. Final walk around, this is everything we've done to this car. As you can see, we've got a gloss black 330i badge. We removed the XDrive badge. We also did some color matched rear reflectors on the bumper, one there, one on the other side. Super clean. And then we also did the front reflectors here on the front bumper. There, got rid of the orange. Super nice. I love this color. It's beautiful. Alright guys, that just about does it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know. Otherwise, we will see you guys on the next video. Take care. Thanks for watching.